Good morning, everybody. Welcome yet again to another video by Capacity Bay. My name is Faculty Nath, and today we'll be talking on Bootstrap Buttons. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Now, I have got my setup here ready. This is my HTML file, and what I have here is the Bootstrap CDN, which you must include before you are able to use the Bootstrap utility classes. Also, this is the JavaScript CDN, which also helps you when you are working with Bootstrap. So today we'll be talking about Bootstrap buttons. Now, we know that we have the HTML button tag. So basically what Bootstrap does is it helps us to style these tags, and also instead of just having the tags bland and blank like that, Bootstrap can help you add some additional functionality and colors. So Bootstrap buttons, it's not very different from the normal HTML buttons. It's just that Bootstraps helps us to style it and then also add functionality. So before without wasting much time, let's go and see what it looks like. So basically I'm going to start with the specifying the class name. Now, Bootstrap, the class name for Bootstrap buttons is btn. You understand? And then you can also specify that the type of button type is equals to button. So buttons have, from our HTML, you know that we have different types of button. We have the type of button, the type of menu, which helps us open a menu or close, the type of reset, which can help us reset our form elements, and the type of submit, which can also help us submit our form. So today we are going to be making use of the type of button. So after that, we will just specify this is a Bootstrap button. So we go ahead. I have already started my live server. So we go ahead and check it out. So there is no styling attached because we have not styled anything. But if you carry your mouse closer, you notice that the cursor changes from the normal cursor to a pointer. So now we'll go ahead and style our button so that we see what it looks like. So I can give this guy a background of success so that we see our button. Okay, so we still see it's not styled. Go ahead and specify a few styles. So let's say, for example, we want to give it a color. It just uses the normal Bootstrap colors. So you can go ahead and say btn primary. So it will give it a color of blue. So this is a button. Let's change it to this button to make everything short. So we go ahead and check it. So obviously it gives it a color of blue. That's for primary. So let me specify padding here. Take it from the top. Okay, that's good. Now we go back and we try out another one. btn danger. Didn't I spell danger well? It's correct, it's btn danger. So we go back and reload. Okay, so that is our for the red button. So it has different colors. We have danger, warning, info, light, and all of that. We also have for black buttons. So let me write all of them out. So we have warning. Warning is for yellow. We have dark for black. And we also have white. That one is background of white. We also have info. We can also have secondary and success. Secondary, and then we also have success. Success is for green. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. So this is our buttons. So this is a blue, red, yellow, black button, secondary, and info. This is the colors. Okay, so this is a lighter shade of the blue. This is ash, black, and then a yellow button. So that is what Bootstrap helps us to do. We can also use Bootstrap to specify the buttons can also be written as if it is a link. So you can also say btn link. This is a link, btn link, which links us to another page. If you are using it as a link, you can use it to link your other HTML elements within the page. This is a link within your HTML page. This is what it looks like. Reload, and you see it comes out as if it is an anchor tag, but it's not an anchor tag. It's a Bootstrap button. So that is what Bootstrap helps us to do. The btn classes are designed. The btn class are designed. This is the class name btn. Are designed to be used with button elements. It can also be used on the anchor or input tag. So that is, you can let me also show you how that is done. So let's use a br tag here. Br. So we go ahead and specify maybe an input element with a class of a type of button. We can also specify buttons with our input element, and then we type of button and we give it a class name of btn. We give it a class name of btn, and then we specify the color. We want to use btn primary. So let's see. Okay, it comes out everything. So we can also give it a value. Our input element can also have a value. So value of submit. That value is the text that will be written on top of the button. So we give it a value of. So let's reload, and then there you go. Also, you can use your Bootstrap, but the btn class with inputs and anchor tags. Also, we can also have outline buttons. That means the colors are around, like they are like borders around the button element. So let me go ahead and copy this so that we won't waste much time. So I copy it, I come down, then I paste. So we also have the btn class, and then instead of having just btn primary, we can have btn outline primary. That means the outline color should be btn outline warning, btn outline dark, btn outline light. So it helps us with our hover state. Once you hover, it's something else. The main color comes in. So let's do for danger btn. Okay, outline info. Let's do this. Info. We'll go ahead and check it out. We reload. So obviously this is our white. It's white at first, and then if you hover, you hover, you hover, you hover. So that's how the outline class works. Also, we can specify the sizes of the buttons. Now that's where the another class comes in. So the class for specifying the size of the buttons is btn lg. LG stands for a large button. So if you want to have a very large button, we can say btn lg. So this is larger than this. This is larger than this. Also, we can have btn sm. That's for small buttons. So we can say btn for this other one, btn sm. So check it out. So this is even smaller than the rest of the buttons. These ones are the normal Bootstrap button sizes. But once you specify small or large, it becomes larger. Now your button can also be given a disabled state. You can also make it disabled so that your user, maybe if you don't want him to be able to click until a particular prompt is completed, you can also disable it by using btn. You can use the disabled class here. You can use the disable class. Disabled. Okay. So we go ahead and check it out. So we disabled our red button. Obviously, we can't do anything. Nothing is happening. But you can click on this one. You can't click here because it's been disabled. These ones you can hover, but this one has been disabled. So that's how the Bootstrap disabled works, and the button, how to disable the Bootstrap button. That's how it works once you specify the disabled class. So let's specify it here and see what happens. On this other one, disabled. So the button becomes disabled. The user can have it. So obviously, this one has been disabled. So that is a wrap for today. Thank you guys for tuning in and for also watching. Please remember to like our videos and share it to your friends, and also ensure that if you have a question, you drop it on our comment section and we'll get back to you in the soonest time possible. Thank you once again for joining us in today's class. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much.